Underneath the bench seat, facing the sliding door, right here, you're gonna find two control panels. If you flip up the little doors, you're gonna find circuit breakers in one, fuses in the other. If lights won't come on, a certain power outlet won't come on, this is a good sign that you've either blown a fuse or tripped a circuit breaker. Inside the fuse panel, if you've blown a fuse, you will see a red light next to the fuse that is no longer making connection. On the circuit breakers, you can just flip the switch down and then back up, and that will reset that circuit breaker. This is the cover to the fuse box. If you flip it over, you have a diagram here that numbers the different fuses, and it'll tell you what they correspond with. It's the same on the circuit breaker, but it's a little hinged door. As you flip it all the way up, you'll see things listed underneath.